guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and wear test on this new Tarte Shape Tape Cloud Coverage Tinted Moisturizer. Super excited about this. This just came out. I was actually super shocked that I got this in the mail so quickly. It literally came right before Christmas. I thought it wasn't gonna come until after New Year's, but I'm super excited. So I'm like, let me go ahead, sit down and do a review and wear test for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into this wear test. Okay, so I picked this up from Tarte's website. This does retail for $39, and this claims to be a medium buildable coverage product, natural finish that looks like skin. It contains Cloud 9 Complex, which is a blend of hyaluronic acid, squalene, snow mushroom, avocado, prickly pear, aloe, licorice, vitamin E, and castor oil, which are great ingredients for hydration, soothing the skin, and just having the skin looking gorgeous and very skin-like. It is a bouncy cloud-like texture that smooths and blurs. It contains mineral SPF ingredients, so it gives you 15 SPF. This is cruelty-free, and this also gives you a natural, soft, matte finish. So let's put this to the test. I did pick this up in the shade Medium Tan Neutral 37N. So this is what it looks like, and this does contain 1 standard ounce, which is perfection. I'm gonna do one side with a sponge and the other side with a brush, so we can see how this does side by side. I love this packaging. It's great for like on the go and traveling. The consistency is a nice moussey consistency, which you guys can see right here. It does feel like it's gonna be really good coverage. So let's see. Very pigmented. And I'm just using my Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge. The coverage is beautiful. Wow, it is so pretty. And this color is literally my perfect shade. Tarte comes out with some really good complexion products. This one, the Tarte C Hydra Flex Serum Foundation. This is so good. And this one's also definitely giving me life. This is from their Shape Tape collection, and you guys know their Shape Tape collection is like gold. And it's applying great with a sponge. Okay, look at the difference. So this is the side with the product on. This is with nothing. You can see how well and fast it covered my redness. None of it is peeking through. It's all staying really nice and in place. It all blended out so seamlessly, which I love. I feel like this is the perfect everyday product. Let me go ahead and do this side with a brush to see how it compares, contrasts. But so far, really love how it looks with the sponge. I feel like it gives you a very effortless, natural skin-like effect. I really love this consistency. I feel like it's so creamy, but in such a luxurious way. Like sometimes I feel like some products can be like overly creamy and they feel just so thick, but this just feels like a really like luxury moisturizer. Like it just feels so luxe and it just feels good on the skin. So let's go ahead and blend. That blended like a dream, like literally a dream. And obviously if you want it to be more like natural looking, maybe more sheer looking, you can definitely use less product. If you want to build it up to like super full coverage and almost foundation like, you can also do that. I feel like it's so customizable that it just works for everybody, but it does give you pigment. I really like how this looks. It applied beautiful with a brush, and it applied also beautiful with a sponge. I would say though, if you want more full coverage faster, I think the brush is the way to go. If you want a little bit more natural skin-like with a sponge, you can see a little bit of my imperfections in there, but it still looks like smooth, natural skin. And I also do feel like this shade fits me perfectly. Definitely feel like this side is my more full coverage side where we went in with a brush, then the side with a sponge, like now that I see it side by side. But this side with the sponge still looks absolutely beautiful. Am I getting a completely matte finish? No, but I actually don't mind that because I don't like too matte. This side has obviously set more than this side, and it just looks so nice and healthy. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my full initial thoughts, and then we can begin our wear test, so keep watching. Okay guys, so I finished my entire face of makeup, and this is what I'm looking like. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so I'm like, let me do some like holiday makeup. I actually am not wearing any lashes today. I'm only wearing my natural tiny lashes because the lashes that I have left are all super dramatic, and ever since having lash extensions, I'm just not into that super dramatic falsie anymore like I used to be. Now I prefer like the natural looking falsies, and I don't have any left, so I need to get some, but I'm just gonna work with these natural given lashes and it'll work, you know, this soft glam look. I will have all the details on this face listed down below in my description box, but let's go ahead and talk about the Tarte Shape Tape Cloud Crease. So look how pretty this looks. Like, I am literally super impressed with how stunning it looks. It does dry down, so it doesn't feel sticky once you do go ahead and let it sit. I did go ahead and set the under eye, so I just put a little bit of powder right in the under eye area and set it, and we're all good. So I'm definitely loving these results. I feel like this is a great buildable product. You can take it for super duper lightweight, natural to a little bit more full coverage for a little bit more of a glam moment, which is kind of what I'm giving you right now, minus not having lashes on, but I really love it. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna carry on with the rest of my day, see how this works for the entire day. Right now it is 2 p.m. I did get a late start, but it's okay because I'm gonna wear this for as long as I possibly can today. And I also will be giving you guys an in natural lighting clip so you guys can see how this looks super up close with the natural lights, because who doesn't love a natural light moment? That really exposes all the secrets of a makeup product. So I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned because you won't wanna miss this. So far, I am really loving this finish. And I'm not surprised because Tarte always delivers. They always deliver. So let's see how this does at the end of the day, and then we can decide if I think this is worth your $39 or not. Keep watching. Okay guys, so I am back. Right now it is 9:30 p.m. and I'm ready to give you guys my final thoughts on this new Tarte Shape Cloud Coverage Tinted product. Honestly guys, I actually really like this product. Like, yes, I do look a little dewy in certain areas, like a little bit more than other areas. For example, the T-zone does look a little dewy. Everywhere else, it just looks so gorgeous. Like, it really looks like luxurious skin. I don't know what it is, but the texture just, it makes me look almost airbrushed in some areas. Like, I'm like, wow, what is this? Like, it just looks so pretty. Like, this product is perfect for the everyday makeup routine, especially maybe for somebody that does like a little bit of like some radiance from within, but a healthy radiance from within. Something that gives you great buildable coverage that you will be able to transform for like a very natural look to a very full coverage glam moment. So for me, this definitely worked out. Also, I feel like this color is great. This is the 37N Medium Tan Neutral. And I really like how it looked just all day. It didn't oxidize, it didn't turn a different color. It literally matched my neck the entire day. So I really like it. I definitely will be continuing using this, and I'm actually gonna use this tomorrow for Christmas Eve because I do wanna do like a full glam moment. This is definitely something I will be reaching for a lot because I love how this looks, and even by the end of the day, I still feel like my skin looks absolutely flawless. So this definitely gets a thumbs up from me. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this specific product. Let me know down below what you think. Have you tried this out? Are you planning on trying it out? Have you had your eye on it? If you guys love Tarte, you're going to love this new product because it really is a very pretty tinted product. As for the SPF 15, honestly, I'm like, if it's not over 30, is it really doing anything? Always wear your sunscreen under, as opposed to relying on a foundation or a tinted moisturizer to do that for you. So thank you guys so much. I will be uploading perhaps one more video before the new year. I'm gonna take some days off just to, you know, decompress and get ready for the new year because I have a lot of exciting content for you guys, but I will be uploading one more video at least for you guys before 2022. So if you guys enjoyed watching this review, please give it a big thumbs up. Let's move on to continue doing these type of videos for you guys. And I think that's all I have. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll see you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Merry Christmas. Bye.